I'm here to tell you about the Heavy-Duty roof racks that hold up to 300 pounds that are compatible with my 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. First of all, I want to tell you about how well they are packed when you receive them. And then I will show you the installation process, which is quite easy. Your first step is to unwrap all the pieces and make sure that you put them all where they belong so that it will be a lot easier to assemble. The anchor pieces are labeled with a sticker that will tell you which side of the roof it will be on, and it will show you an arrow exactly where the front of the vehicle is located. It's important that you put them in the right place so that the bars are assembled properly. I love that the bars themselves are also clearly labeled as to which one goes in the front and which one goes in the rear, as well as including arrows pointing towards the front of the vehicle. I have my right and my left with the arrows pointing that way, which is the front of the vehicle. That means that these are the rear ones. And I have the bar that indicates that it is the rear one and the arrow should come this way. I make sure that I have all the pieces that I need, and it also shows you how to actually look at the bar itself to make sure you're putting it correctly. So if you look at it from the side, you can see that this is going to be what goes towards the front, and the tapered end will go towards the back. So you're going to take your keys, you're going to insert the key, you're going to turn it 90 degrees, and you're going to take out the lock itself. So that's going to allow you to put this through. But to put this through first, you have to take off this screws, and then you are going to flip the bar into here. If you're trying to put it the wrong way, it's not going to go in. So definitely the piece helps for you to put it in the right way. And we're just going to insert the screws so that they're in the right place. And now the anchor setup is complete on this side. Now we just repeat the same step on the other side to make sure the bar is complete. So now you have the back bar ready. We're going to need to take off the lock on this side as well. So for installation, so let's go ahead and do so. And then we're gonna take the front bar, which indicates that it's the front car, and it gives us arrows towards where the front of the car should be. It should be like this, and then we have the right side indicating that the front of the car is that way, and we repeat the same steps we did for the rear bar to complete the second bar. It's important to note that it is wider in the front and tapered in the back so that the wind can pass more efficiently through the bar. And the anchors are designed so there's no way that you can install it the wrong way. And another check is the little sticker that has here. It also has the arrows towards they should be installed, the front and the rear. I don't know if you can see it, but the front is definitely wider than the back. As you can see, these are ready to install, and now the next turn is to put them up on top of the roof of my car. Definitely follow along so you can see how easy it is to do that. So once you put it on your car, make sure that the arrows are pointing the right way and that you have the right part. This is the front one. So first two will fall. You want to make sure that you remove the mechanism from the bottom. That way it will be a lot easier to install. You do that by taking off like this. You undo the mechanism, and you're gonna measure exactly where it is that they're gonna fit. And now you have to actually tighten the bolts underneath. You just tighten it, make sure they're nice and tight. And now you're gonna put the mechanism back. Make sure it's lined up. Make sure that the mechanism gets really tight. And there we go. It tells me that that is not going to move anywhere. Now we're going to go to the other side. So on this side as well, you're going to make sure that the screws on the bottom are tightened. And you're going to start tightening this bolt to make sure. You want to make sure that they're straight from one side to the other. So you're just going to tighten this mechanism. When you tighten the mechanism, you make sure that it's really well It's not going anywhere. One last step to secure this crossbar to your rails. That is to install the locks so that no one can steal your roof racks. So you put it in place, it clicks, you turn the key, and it's done. Nobody can take this roof rack off of your car. Now let's do the other side. So the same with this side. And make it click in there. Turn the key. Your front roof rack is attached. Definitely nice and easy. It's not moving anywhere. Nice and sturdy. So this is your back roof rack. And first of all, you're going to make sure that it says that it's the rear one. And then you're going to make sure that the arrows are pointing towards the front of the car. Now we go ahead and install it. First of all, we want to loosen the mechanism. I suggest that if you don't have to take it off, you don't take it off. It makes for the install to be a lot easier. There we go. So you open them all the way so that they're not loose. You figure out how close you want them to the front. And first of all, you have to tighten your bolts on the bottom, but we have to make sure that the other one fits correctly before we tighten them. So we put it to the right width that we want, and we tighten the screws on the bottom. Once that is done, we go ahead and tighten the mechanism to make sure that it gets super tight and doesn't move. And then we can go back to the other side and repeat. And you finish tightening the last. Make sure that it's nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. And our last step, you guys, on this whole process is to put the lock on it. We're going to go ahead and put the lock in. Make sure it's level. Turn the key. And it's locked. Now let's go to the last side and we're officially done with it. Okay, we'll make sure we put it in. Turn the key. Great job, guys. Once the install is complete, guys, you can definitely go ahead and take off the stickers that said which was the front and back and all that so that they're not showing. These stickers are so helpful for the install to make sure that you get everything in the right direction. Definitely a product that I recommend. I've had products from this brand before and I really, really enjoy them. They were easy to install and they lasted really, really good. Definitely a high quality product. I love the new look of my car, and I love that I have the functionality to be able to carry up to 300 pounds on my new roof racks.